What's up, everybody? It's your boy Nappie. Welcome to the YouTube channel. If today is your first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell to get a notification anytime I post a video. Yes, today we are here in Kumasi, the Garden City. And I'm with my brother Kejetia Market. So he is taking care of me today, and he's driving. So yeah, I'm not bringing him now. Yeah, so we are going to he's going to show me the Kejetia Market and some parts of Kumasi. It's going to be a drive-through and walk-through in the market. It is a big indoor market. I think it's the biggest in West Africa. Yes. So everything you need there is inside that market. Today is Sunday. We are going to check what they have there. Just take and stay tuned. And please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to Kejetia Market YouTube channel. He's doing really good. Yeah, he's the Seattle boy here, showing Kumasi. Yeah, so let's just go to Kejetia Market and see how it looks like from above, from inside, from below, any part of the market. And if I didn't bring anything, please put it in the comment section and tell me what to do again. Yes, we are here in Kumasi. We have a couple of days to stay. So just take and stay tuned. Let's go to Kejetia Market. Was it formerly called Central Market?
No, Kejetia Market comes first before Central Market.
Oh.
So it's just like the other time that we were talking about. It's two phases: the Kejetia Market, and then the Central Market being the second phase.
All right. Yeah. So the first phase is what did it have there?
It's an ultra-modern market that we can say is one of the biggest in West Africa.
Right
now, that's what I can say. And everything, like you said, everything is inside.
Wow.
From food stuff, clothes, fabrics.
All right.
Top of it all.
Everything. even on our streets, you can hawk on the street. In fact, go to the streets and get the street hawkers, and you can get everything. How much more on indoor markets? Yo, so let's just go and see what they have there. And one thing I didn't tell you guys is the roofing is made out of kente. Like it was taken from kente. The inspiration was taken from kente. So it's so beautiful. Let's just go and see how it looks like. I just can't wait. Can you wait either? No. So shout outs to the people abroad who are not seeing Kumasi Market yet. Yes, Kejetia Market. Why do I say Kumasi Market? Yes, Kejetia Market. Let's just go.
It's a West African market.
Badu Soleil, Badu Soleil, Badu Soleil, Badu Soleil, Badu Soleil, Badu Soleil,
Alright guys, so we just got into the Kejetia Market, and what I realized is it also has an indoor car park. This is really amazing. A whole market, indoor, and an indoor car park. Isn't that amazing? Yo, right here in Kumasi. This is my first time seeing something like this. I've already seen it with African Traveler. You can check it on his YouTube channel. Kejetia Market has also made a video here about it. So you can also check on that one too on Kejetia Market TV. And he's bringing me here for the third time. Wow, I can't just wait to explore again. Let's go! Let's go! Like, it's so beautiful. The lighting, everything is so beautiful here. Let's just go. Let's just go. So we are in the market right now, and it's so beautiful out here. Because it's Sunday, it's kind of empty, and I see this place is so huge. How many floors are there?
It's 3 different floors. First floor, second floor, and then the last floor. Wow. It's best to show Sunday because on a normal working day, we wouldn't have been able to talk. People who have been moving around.
Yes. I think that's what people like too, but I didn't like that. Yeah, I want to show you the peaceful part. Yes. So today is Sunday. Let's just do this. So this is the roofing I was telling you about. It was inspired by Kejetia. So amazing, guys. Look.
Just unfortunate. I wish I knew the symbol. That would explain. All I know is Ginyame, and I can't find Ginyame here. And I see 2 swords. I don't know what that means. But hey, what to say? We just find out.
I mean, strength.
It will come for you. You don't put that right.
Yes.
I don't know. It's symbolizing something, but I am Ashanti too, but
don't try.
You need elderly people to tell you, okay, this symbol talks about this and that. As the walkthrough for normal customers or people who are here to buy stuff, this is their lane. And you can see both right and then left consist of about 1,000.
Wow.
Yes.
Stores.
Different stores.
Wow. It's a lot.
And they have been grouped into sections. The first floor consists of those who sell meat and food stuff and all those things. And interestingly, it comes with a restaurant too.
Oh, great.
It's got about 4 different restaurants.
Okay, I can see it right there. See where I'm sweating? I'm doing all this for you. So this is the main entrance to the second floor in the Kejetia Market. Let's go and see what they have there too. I told you because it's Sunday, there are not a lot of traders around. So we're going to see closed stores, people just walking around. Yes, let's just go. See. Guys, Papa. Ask any Ghanaian to explain this to you. Papa.
Fire-based something that you know that these fire outbreaks are something very common when it comes to market women. You can see right there. You have one there too. A lot of them.
So amazing. One thing I've noticed about market women in Ghana is they always want to cook in the market. Anytime they want to cook in the market. I don't understand.
They cook for their husbands. And they don't want to go home and then come back. So what they do is, what they think they can do best is that they will just cook the food in the market.
And they will take it home to the husband.
Exactly. Or they'll put it in a basket and then send one of their children to go and give it to their father. See that?
Yo, that's crazy. So we are going to show you the second phase and third phase of the Kejetia Market. And it's amazing. That's the Central Market down there. It's really huge. This project is really huge.
I think that is still in progress. We're hoping that the second phase of the whole project in Kumasi will be done pretty soon. And we also have a third phase. So I'll show you.
Wow.
You get to see everything.
So what would the second and third phase contain? Because I realized that the first phase has meat shop and clothing.
Basically, it's a market area. So everything involving buying and selling, that's what we are all about. And actually, let me put this across. You can see that if you're watching now, you can see that the tracks are stable, nobody's moving around. there's not much work going on. But hey, they are working. It's a Sunday, and that's why you couldn't see anybody working around.
And I can see a big. Yeah.
So this used to be the place that they used to change dollars.
Right.
We call it the black market.
Black market, okay. All right. Yes.
This is one of those contractors that we pay them and you see they relax and they don't even do the job. No. There is something Otufo said to the current president of Ghana, Nana Akufo-Addo, and it's not a party thing. This has been there since, and they decided to do it to make Kumasi a beautiful place and retain its name as the Garden City.
And retain its name as the Garden City. As you can see from the other side, there are so many hawkers around down there doing their own thing. It's Sunday, but I can see it's really congested, as you can see from down there. Yes, and it's so amazing that people are still working on Sundays. This is so beautiful. Yes, hard work pays, so you need to work hard.
This is the same place they used to change money, the black market. You know, a lot of people.
Yes, that's so cool. Yes, so that comes to the end of this episode. I really appreciate the love and support. Thanks so much to Kejetia Market TV. I'm still going to bring you more videos from Kumasi. Go ahead and subscribe to his channel, Kejetia Market TV. I'll put a link in the description and the name on the screen for you to see. Just click on it, subscribe, share to your family and friends. Please, let's get to 20,000 as soon as possible.
20,000.
Yes, we can't wait.
This month, 20,000.
Let's just do it. Let's just do it. So I'm going to see you on the other side in Kumasi. Peace out.